Welcome to your Quick Start Guide to help you begin to find resources in your PowerMath subscription on ActiveLearn Primary. Log in at activelearnprimary.co.uk using your username, password and school code. Click on PowerMaths. Start in the planning area, which is where you can find yearly and termly overviews for each year group. Support for mixed age planning and curriculum matching documents, including for White Rose Maths. To find resources for a specific unit, select your year group. You can see an overview of each term here. Let's take a closer look at Year 1, Unit 1. Each unit is set out in the same way, with objectives shown here and things to look at before you teach the unit, including a PD video that introduces the unit and why it's important. There's a link to the teacher guides with notes for each lesson, as well as the teaching tools you'll need. These resources can be accessed through hotspots in the e-textbook as you're working through it. The Teach section includes links to each lesson in the unit in the e-textbook, including a starter activity to introduce the unit and check prior knowledge. If we choose a lesson, we can open up the e-textbook. At the start of each lesson, there are 3 hotspots: power-ups, to practice daily number fluency, a link to the teacher guide with teacher notes for that specific lesson, and working out paper, a tool which allows you to make jottings. The other hotspots provide the teaching tools relevant to the content being taught. If we return to the planning area, we can move on to the Assess section. This is where you'll find an end-of-unit check and activities to strengthen and deepen, as well as the answers. So now you know where to find the essential resources you need to start planning and teaching your PowerMaths lessons.